Have you ever heard a story that stayed with you because it taught you something important? Well, Yoruba tales are full of those. They are not just entertaining, they come packed with valuable life lessons. So, grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's get started. Let's start with the tale of the tortoise and the birds. Once upon a time, there was a cunning tortoise named Ijapa. Ijapa wanted to attend a grand feast in the sky hosted by the birds. He convinced the birds to lend him feathers so he could fly with them. With the borrowed feathers, Ijapa soared into the sky. At the feast, Ijapa tricked the birds by claiming his new name was All of You. When the food was served, it was announced that it was for all of you. Ijapa selfishly ate almost everything, leaving the birds with barely any food. The birds were furious. They took back their feathers and Ijapa had to find his own way down. He fell from the sky and landed, cracking his shell into the segments we see today. And so the tortoise, though clever, learned a harsh lesson about greed and betrayal. His cracked shell remains a reminder to all who seek to take advantage of others for their own gain. In the end, it's not trickery that leads to fulfillment, but honesty and fairness. Thank you for watching this tale of cunning and consequence. Stay tuned for more timeless stories from the rich tradition of Yoruba folklore. Remember, every story carries a lesson. What will you learn from the next one? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more tales of wisdom and more content about learning the Yoruba language. Thank you. Ó dàbọ̀.